Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home, and I hope that you are doing practice of all the numericals also with the derivation itself. In the last class we have done about the derivation of the kinetic energy. So today let's do the numerical related to that derivation. Before starting that numerical, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. Let's recall about that formula that we have done related to kinetic energy. Related to kinetic energy, we have done कि kinetic energy is given by the formula half mv square, where m is the mass of object and v is the velocity or the speed with which the body is moving. How we have arrived it? Let us take a recall of that. First of all, we have considered a body of mass m. Force is applied on the body. It is already in motion with initial velocity u. We have applied the force, so its velocity changes u to v, and it displays from this position to this position. S is the displacement in time t. So we have said A is the acceleration produced, because velocity changes in time t, so acceleration is also produced in the body. So we can say that work done take place on the body. And what is the formula for work done? F into S. And what is the by Newton's second law we have done? Force is the product of mass and acceleration. And by third equation of motion, v square minus u square is 2as. We have calculated s value from here. So v square minus u square upon 2a is s. And we have put these two values into this equation. So we have got amount of work done is ma into v square minus u square upon 2a. A से cancel हो गया. So we have got 1 by 2 m v square minus u square. So this is the amount of work done whenever there is a change in velocity of the object. So whenever there is change in kinetic of the energy of the object, it is stored, or we can say that it is the amount of work done on the body to acquire that speed or to decrease that speed. And if body starts from rest, so we will put u0, so we will get amount of work done is half mv square. And earlier I have told to you that this amount of work done whenever the bodies are in motion is possessed as its kinetic energy. So we have said it is its kinetic energy, because you can see many examples, like if bullet is there and if you fire a bullet from a gun, initially it is at rest, and when will you fire the bullet, it comes in motion. When it will comes in motion, after doing work on this, so it have some speed, and moreover this moving bullet when hit someone, it can do work on that body also. So this moving bullet have energy, and this energy is known as kinetic energy, and it can do the work, because you know that a moving bullet can hit a person, then it can if it is shot by the bullet, then he may die also. And moreover the car can give an injury to the persons when the car is in motion. So these are the few examples. The falling apple is an example of the object which is having kinetic energy, or moreover whenever the things are in motion, they possess kinetic energy, like flowing water, also the example which have kinetic energy. So related to this, today we will do the numerical, which is given in your NCERT book on page number 152. It is given on page number 152. So what is that? This is the question number 3 in your NCERT book. You can take and open it, 152. I am reading that statement for you. The kinetic energy of an object of mass m. What is the mass of object? What is the mass of object? It is given m. It is not given in value. And it is moving with velocity. What is the velocity of object? It is given. It is in motion with the velocity that is 5 meter per second. It is your question number 3 on this page, and it's having energy 25 joule. So what is the kinetic energy is given? That is given 25 joule. And what is the question he is asking? He is asking the question, what will be its kinetic energy when velocity is doubled, and what will be its kinetic energy when velocity is increased by 3 times. What does it mean? He is asking कि whenever there is a change in velocity, so does kinetic energy will change for the same object? We have to find out. So using this formula first, we will find out mass of the body. So what is kinetic energy formula beta? Half mv square. Put this value, 25 joule is half m, and what is v value? 5. So do the square of that. So 25 joule is 1 by 2 m into 25. Solve it. 25 multiply, cross multiply by 2 and divide by 25, you will get m value. So what is the mass of this object? It is 2 kilogram. Means the object which is moving with 5 meter per second have a mass of 2 kilogram. Now what is the next step is given in the same question he is asking. Mass is 2 kilogram. Now change the velocity to 2v. It is the second question in the same question. What does it mean? What is the new velocity? Twice of the previous. Previous was 5. So what is the new velocity? 10 meter per second. So what is the new kinetic energy? Whenever there is a change in velocity, kinetic energy will also change. So 1 by 2 mv square. Mass is 2 kilogram or 10 square. So you have got 10 into 10, that is 100 joule. What does it mean? Earlier it was 25 joule when it was moving with 5 meter per second. But if you will double the velocity, then kinetic energy will also increase. Now the third case, mass is same, but what is the new velocity? V dash is 3v. So what is the velocity? 5. So it becomes 15 meter per second. So what is the new kinetic energy now? 1 by 2. Mass is 2 kilogram and what is the new velocity? 15 square. So 2 se 2 cancel. So you have got 225 joule. So whenever there is a change in velocity, 5 to 2v or 3v means double curve. If we have doubled it, if we have tripled it, so velocity, kinetic energy will also get changed. And whenever there is a more kinetic energy, it can do more work also. So you have to do this numerical in your fair notebook, and you can try few numericals which are given in your back exercise. But first you try to do derivation properly and the numerical. What does it mean कि whenever we will change mass or velocity, so there is a change in kinetic energy. So you have to apply this formula and you have to solve this question. Thank you and have a nice day.